Hey guys, Mike here, and this is my review of the Tavool stud finder. And I bought this because I saw a video of somebody trying to hang something in their apartment one day, and they hit a water main and it just totally flooded their apartment. And I did not want that to happen to me, so I picked up one of these, and here's an overview of how to use it. So you press this button to turn it on, and this thing has 4 modes. So the first mode is stud mode, and that's going to detect wooden beams and joists and drywall up to 1.2 inches deep. And the second mode is deep mode. So this is like a higher sensitivity scanning mode. You should use it when there's extra layers of wall board or like paneling or stuff like that. And it detects wood or metal up to 1.7 inches deep. The third mode is metal mode. So the previous modes, they were just looking for changes in density. So those modes aren't going to tell you the material of the stud. So if you already found a stud using the previous 2 methods, you want to know if it's metal, right? So switch over to this mode. This is going to detect like pipe, rebar, aluminum, and copper up to 1.57 inches deep. And then the last mode is live AC wire mode. So this is going to detect live AC wires up to 2 inches deep. And this feature works in all modes. So the live AC wire detection icon is going to flash when live unshielded wires are detected. So now what we want to do is calibrate it. So we are in stud finder mode. So I'm just going to hold the side button down and watch the bars go down. And once they reach the bottom, we are now calibrated. So there's different ways to calibrate this. If you're using stud mode or you're using deep scan mode, you want to calibrate it on the wall. But if you're using any of the other 2 modes like metal or live wire, you want to calibrate that in the air. But in the case you're using stud mode, just make sure you don't remove it from the wall or you need to recalibrate it. So now that we're calibrated, we're going to move this in one direction until we find a stud. And it looks like we found one right there. So all that did was detect a change in density, but it doesn't know the material. So now we want to see if there's any metal there. So we're going to switch over to metal mode. So now we're in metal mode, and I'm going to calibrate it by holding it in the air. We're going to take it right back over, and we're going to find out if that spot is metal. And there is no metal there. So looks like we found a stud. But the live AC wire indicator is showing up, so it's detecting something here, so I need to be careful before I drill. So that's an overview of how to use this, and overall, I've been pretty happy with it.